Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Once again on an all-new model, the Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. Of course, the SLX from Sea Ray, it's top of the line. You cannot go any higher when it comes to luxury. But even over the other SLXs, you guys changed the storage quite a bit on this boat, didn't you, Joey?
We did. So the SLX 250 today has about, we'll call it 24 less cubic feet of storage than this boat. And this is an outboard, but even the stern drive variant has the same amount of storage in it. So when you do get the outboard, we have a Bilge storage caddy that'll go in that we'll talk about it here when we work our way to the back, but that gives you even more storage. So there is a ton of storage space that we found in this boat during the redesign.
It seems like from a consumer standpoint, when you get into that sub 30-foot day boat category, the biggest challenge is always storage.
Yep. And
you talk about 24 more cubic feet. Where do you find 24 feet on a 26-foot boat? Where are you putting it all?
Well, first it's under the helm. So we've got a ton of storage here under our helm. So this is a double hinged cushion. So this will flip up. You have storage right there. And then it flips up again. You can see we've got dedicated storage for the tables. And then you got your bow filler cushion components down there as well. We also have a center in-floor storage up in the bow. It's located here. This is in the current boat, but you can see we found a little more room. And then on the port side, we also have a hinge storage as well that folds up. You can see a nice clean A-side finish storage with gutters all around, so you don't have to worry about any water getting down in there.
Put a couple fenders and dock lines in there or something.
Exactly. And as you make your way back into the cockpit, going through the walkthrough, we even put in a dedicated trash can. So you don't have to worry about where you put your trash anymore.
And that comes up quite a bit. You don't think it would, but that comes up quite a bit.
The boat was designed by ladies, and they know exactly what the ladies want. They want a place to put the trash. And it's either that or somebody's hanging it over the side of the boat, and we didn't want to see that.
Yeah.
And then the other big space that we gained is the cockpit in-floor storage. You have water skis and other items that you're going to be taking on the boat with you. Nick, you don't care.
Yeah, how long is that down there?
It will hold a water ski. Flip that up.
Oh,
you can see here we got all the canvas. And then if you really want to get down in there, you've got ledges in here where you can put your life jackets, your throw cushions, and even put other items down in there. And you can see it's deep and goes all the way to the bow.
Huh, so that goes up quite a way up underneath me here.
Yes, sir. And then on the port side, you have hinge storage here again. You can see we got a nice little shelf here. On the starboard side, we got room for 2 soft-sided coolers, or this is a hard-sided cooler with a door that also helps you get them in and out. And this boat's not equipped with it, but you can also get what we call the Bilge storage caddy, which is an option that actually goes down where the stern drive engine would be sitting. It's not in this boat, but if you go online, you can see it on our website.
Yeah, that's what I always loved about all the Sea Rays with outboards anyways, is all the storage that you would gain where otherwise the engine would be.
Exactly. We also have a storage in the in-floor walkthrough, which is in today's boat as well. But some of the other storage gains that we made on this boat is we have a Transom Cooler built in that can also be a nice place to put lines, or you can even put your shoes as you climb on the boat. And then Nick, I'm going to let you open up the big storage here. So this is something new for the SLX.
You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a 400 SLX.
Exactly. So how do you bring that storage into a 26-foot boat?
It's literally just like a 400 SLX. That's the first thing I thought when I saw that.
And that runs all the way up the port side to that seating that we opened in the cockpit.
Really? So you could run water skis,
boards, inflatables, lily pads.
I appreciate you showing me around, Joey. I always appreciate the product knowledge, and it's going to be a big hit. It really is. Overcomes the biggest objection when it comes to boats under 30 foot, like we talked about before, was storage. So, of course, this is the Sea Ray SLX 260 outboard, available on inboard also, and it's coming to a lake or a gulf or a bay, to the ocean. right here this summer, 2022. So go ahead, place your order, get in line, and we'll make that happen.